up? It's Joe with OCDetailing. And our Tesla bounced off a wall in autopilot. Now, my business partner was driving the car, and I would blame him for this happening because he's supposed to be watching the road. But I guess he was, I'll assume he was looking at porn on his phone. Maybe, maybe not. So our Tesla bounced off of a freeway median going 65, 70 miles an hour. And we also are working on a Corvette ZR1 that's loud as f***. That's an awesome car. Traffic, everything's going okay. And see what happened here is that they're doing a little bit of road construction and the median moved over, but the lane stayed the same. Stayed the same length. You heard autopilot go on right there. So autopilot's engaged. And here's the median. Boom! Ouch. There's the car bouncing off the wall. So this happened. It actually scratched all the film down the side of the car, destroyed the left front wheel. The tire stayed intact. Like, luckily the tire didn't break and flatten the tire or anything. I wish I could see the look on Mike's face right now because I can imagine he's thinking, ah. I'm not saying that this is Tesla's fault by any means whatsoever because he should have been paying attention to the road. We know that's the drill. The amazing thing about this is when this happened, he showed up here and there was like this white stuff all over the side of the car, and we were all so panicked to look at it that we got it off before we got to video or film it, and we saw the destroyed wheel and we're like, oh god, this is gonna be bad. But there was no damage, like literally no damage, and that was a really hard hit. I'm guessing the wheel took the brunt of it, but still, I don't think any of the paint protection film is designed for that kind of a freeway impact. Maybe more like a rock flying off a truck or a pebble flying up from the road, not bouncing off of a median, so this is really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. I'm Joe with OCDetailing.